Good morning, Idaho Hawks. It's Mrs. Haasz here. It's College Thursday. Happy College Thursday. It is April the 23rd, and it's 2020, and it's 6:52 a.m. in the morning. I hope everybody's doing having a great time, I guess. Everybody's doing a wonderful job on turning in their work. I got a lot of assignments yesterday. I was very pleased with it. I like the way that you are doing your strategies. Remember, we are doing strip diagrams, so I'd like to see each problem have a strip diagram would be nice. But today is your Education Galaxy Day. Remember, on Monday we do bookwork, Tuesday we do Education Galaxy, Wednesday we do bookwork, Thursday we do Education Galaxy, and then tomorrow's catch-up day, and you just do whatever tiki you want to work on, and it's your choice. So, with that being said, Education Galaxy is in your technology. You can use it on your technology, or you can do it as a worksheet. I have it as a worksheet. So if you want to turn it in as a worksheet, that's great. Either way, technology or a worksheet. So let's go ahead and get started. Some of you might have already finished your work, but I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of a strip diagram on page 405. That was your second page for yesterday. So let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, so this is 11.4 problem solving multi-step division problems. It's page 405. As you remember, I'm holding this in my hand, so it might be a little shaky. I did buy something to help me with this. Hopefully it will come soon. So basically on this page is just giving us all our instructions on doing a strip diagram. So I'm going to do maybe A, B, maybe even C to get you started. All right, boys and girls? So let's look here. It says that Marco bought 2 bottles of juice. Each bottle is 48 ounces. How many 8-ounce glasses of juice can Marco pour from the 2 bottles? So let's read it one more time because we like to read it twice. Marco bought 2 bottles of juice. Each bottle is 48 ounces. How many 8-ounce glasses of juice can Marco pour from this bottle? So the question is, how many 8-ounce glasses of juice can Marco pour from these 2 bottles? So I highlighted my question. Can you see? And then it says Marco bought 2 bottles of juice, and each bottle had 48 ounces. So there's my numbers right there. Okay, boys and girls? So he bought 2 bottles of juice, and each bottle had 48 ounces. All right, it says draw a strip diagram for the number of ounces of juice in the 2 bottles. So it says draw a strip diagram for the number of ounces in the 2 bottles. So what is it asking me to do? Draw a strip diagram. All right, boys and girls? Okay, boys and girls, I went ahead and drew it just so that you could see it plain. So I drew a strip diagram. It said that I had 2 bottles and they each had 48 ounces. So you have 48 and 48, and they needed a total. So I know that 48 plus 48 is 96, but I'm going to come over here and show you my work. So I have 48 plus 48. 8 plus 8 is 16. Regroup my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So that's how I got the 96. The next part says, write an equation to find the total number of ounces of juice in the 2 bottles. Well, we just did that. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my question. Write an equation to find the total number of ounces of juice in the 2 bottles. All right, so we know that that's going to be what? That's going to be 48 times 2. 8 times 2 is 6. Regroup my 1. 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 96. There's the equation. Or you can also do make an unknown 48 times 2 equals J. All right. The next one, it says draw a strip diagram to show the number of 8-ounce glasses of juice that can be poured. All right, so I'm going to leave that one up to you. You know that on the side you're going to have 8. You're going to have a strip diagram. It's going to look like this. We know on our strip diagram that our total is 96. So how many times does 8 go into 96? And you can just continue that strip diagram. I know that y'all can do it. And I'm sorry about me having to hold the phone in my hand, but hopefully I'll get my, what is it called? I think it's called a phone stabilizer this week, and that way I can attach it to my phone and I can just move it around. But if you have any questions, please give me a call. Okay. So boys and girls, that was my example of strip diagrams. Also today you have your quiz on vocabulary. I did a remind video yesterday showing how to get into Clever and how to get to your vocabulary. It's very simple. There's 3 ways that you can do it. You can go through just the Idaho school website, go to At Home Learning and all the icons are there. Or you can go through Clever and use your lunch number and DallasISD.org and then your DSI at 1617, or you can use your Google account. But there's 3 ways to get into that. If you're still having trouble, let me know. Other than that, have a great Thursday. That's it. It's College Thursday. Look up a video and have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Oh, Zoom. We have Zoom today at 11 o'clock, so don't forget. Zoom meeting at 11. It's the same number and same passcode. So have a great day.